In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ray tracing in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2. First select Marketplace, then select here search in the top right corner and here type in ray. Select done, select OK, search. And here you can buy multiple texture packs that will make sure that you can enable ray tracing in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2. It's just a shame, guys, that on the PC you can enable ray tracing for free, and here on the Nintendo Switch 2, if you want to have ray tracing, you have to buy it with a texture pack for example 500 Minecoins or for $3. But guys, it is possible. So I hope this video was helpful. And this is how to enable ray tracing in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch 2.